Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the BMW 220i on a 70 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. From the outside though, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area first of all. The tailgate on this car will open electronically. You can either do that from the key or from the tailgate itself. As we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have reversing sensors as well. Plenty of boot space. You can increase this space further should you wish to by folding down any or all of the 3 seats that you see there. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car before we hop in and run through the controls that I mentioned. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see firstly that all 4 alloy wheels are in excellent condition, as is the bodywork the whole way around the car. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. On the right-hand side, we have the rev counter. On the left-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the centre, you can see the total miles for this car. They are 24,848. You can change the information displayed above that by pressing a button on the end of the indicator stalk for various bits of information, including a digital readout for the speedometer, as you can see. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have cruise control, speed limiter, stereo and phone controls, the plus and minus pedals that you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. Over in the centre, we then have the main screen for the car. The first thing I wanted to show you is the service history for the vehicle, which you can see here, the date and mileages that the various services were done on. We can come back to the main menu, and then you've got things like, of course, your satellite navigation. Really nice clear colour display, as you can see. Very easy system to use. All the movement you see me making on this screen is being done using the iDrive system, which is essentially this dial and the collection of buttons that surround it. So you can access your map, nav, main menu from here, for example. So you can use this. Alternatively, you can use this as a touchscreen, so you can enter any of these menus just here. If you press and hold on here, it will actually allow you to reshuffle the order in which your layout is for you. So we can access our radio and media, of course. And it's up on here that you will be able to access your radio, DAB, FM and AM, CD player, so you can listen to your own music. We've also got Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly, and USB input as well. You can pair your phone under the communication heading just here, and you can see the various other menus. The menu we started in for the service history is the My Vehicle tab that you can see being displayed there. If I put the vehicle into reverse, this car's got parking sensors, but it's also got a visual guide for the sensors just there. We have the main CD player, the volume for the stereo, some storage just here, and then we have dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger temperature, the driver temperature, you can increase and decrease the fan speed, you can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in once it enters the car. At the moment the air conditioning is off. That button will turn it on, and it's on when that light shows. Same button to turn it off, of course, or hit auto. The car will now maintain the temperatures that you've asked for by taking full control of the fan speed and direction of the air for you. Press auto again to go back to your own manual settings. We can turn off traction control from here. We can also change the driving setup from sport to comfort and eco. We have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox and the iDrive system, which we went through just a moment ago. And lastly, I just wanted to show you the paperwork we hold for the vehicle here. So you can see we have the V5 registration document. We've also got 2 fully remote central locking keys as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live, bespoke video walk around of the vehicle, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.